Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Banana step by step. First, let's understand what Gemini Banana is designed for. It's a powerful tool for quick data insights and visualization. Before we dive in, make sure your computer meets the recommended specifications, like having at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern processor. Then, simply download the application from the official website and complete the straightforward installation process, which usually takes less than 5 minutes. Finally, log in with your credentials to access the main dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's set up your very first project. From the main dashboard, locate and click the New Project button, typically found in the top left corner. Give your project a descriptive name, perhaps Quarterly Sales Analysis. Next, it's time to import your data. Gemini Banana supports a wide array of formats, including CSV, Excel, and JSON, totaling over 10 different types. Simply drag and drop your files or use the Browse option. Finally, adjust any initial settings like data privacy or regional preferences, which takes only a few seconds. With your data imported, you're ready to harness Gemini Banana's core analytical power. The platform features an incredibly intuitive drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to easily select data points and visualize relationships. For instance, you can compare sales figures across different product lines with just 2 clicks. Generate comprehensive reports using one of the 20 pre-built templates, saving you valuable time. Don't forget to apply advanced filters to narrow down your focus, perhaps looking at only the top 10 performing products or data from the last 6 months. This helps in pinpointing crucial trends. To truly maximize your efficiency, consider these advanced tips and best practices. First, explore creating custom dashboards. You can design up to 5 unique dashboards tailored to specific reporting needs, displaying key metrics at a glance. Next, leverage the automation features. You can schedule daily or weekly report generations, saving you hours each month. Finally, enhance team collaboration by sharing project access with up to 10 colleagues. This allows for seamless teamwork and ensures everyone is working with the most current insights. Mastering these features will significantly boost your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.